This time I'm on the other end of the tow strap. What's up, YouTube? Just gonna do a little trail riding video today. Just me on the electric and riding with 3 gas bikes here. We're here out at Stansbury. Done this trail before, but more north, so we're going further south this time. Some new stuff, so a little bit of new trail riding, and we'll see how it goes. Shifting here. Trail's pretty good. Steep, rocky, but manageable. Just sucking in this exhaust. That's I want to say I miss my CRF 450, but I don't for trail riding. For the track, yes, but trail riding, not so much. I think the electric is a lot funner on the trail. Easier to maneuver for sure.
Forget about that.
I'll move out of your way. Looks like we have our first victim. Looks like it's that. Damn, I just missed a nice section of trail, but that's alright. Gas bikes are kind of struggling on some of those steeper hills, but made it all through. We're all good. I can hear them. The weather is perfect for this. I think it's like 65 today. I mean, right now it's probably 60 or something, but great temperature for this. Great trail too. I'll drop a pin in the comments there to show you where this trail is if you're local to Utah, Salt Lake Valley area, because this is a fun trail to ride. So it's a mix of bikes here today. We got this one in front of us, WR 250. We got a Husky 300 two-stroke. We got At Feathers Off-Road on his KTM 450. And me on the Light B, which is handling everything fantastic. Not that those other bikes aren't, they're doing great. So it's just a bunch of guys, co-workers out for a ride on our day off. So enjoying the nice weather and trail. Taking you guys with me. I just find that this Light B on this trail, it's hard. It's hard for me to even think if I would want an Ultra B, just because of the size. Like, it's so easy on this, especially this Light B with these 1821. It's still tall enough, and the 1821s are doing great. So the flickability and nimbleness of this Light B, it's hard to like think I want something bigger. You know, I just assume spend more money and get better suspension on here is really what it comes down to. I mean, I just need better suspension, but I love this bike. Like, I love it for this type of riding. And yeah, I'm sure if you're watching this, you're probably in the same boat. If you have Light B or are looking to get one, just amazing for this upgraded Light B. Obviously, the Surron Light B now stock is probably not your best option to buy. I mean, unless you're gonna totally part it out or kit it out, you know, like get everything. But still think it's probably worth waiting for that Altus Sigma, just because the amount of power that comes with stock and the 18 or the 1916 wheels, you don't have to do anything to that bike. Hopefully, maybe suspension. I mean, that will be time will tell on that, but we'll see. Nice and cold in here. Oh, here's a fun trail. Didn't have the speed to take that same line as him. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys are riding trails and you had both the Light B and the Ultra B, tell me what your thoughts are. Like, do you feel like horses, the Ultra B is worth it? I'm looking to maybe sell my other Surron and get another bike, and an Ultra B would be pretty much the choice. Been kind of waiting to see if another mid-size like that would come out, but nothing so far. Well, I shouldn't say that. There are some bikes, but they're just not well known. Like the Talaria is supposed to have one, so who knows. But yeah, drop a comment, let me know. Every other time I've rode this trail, it's been in the colder weather because it's so far west. You don't have as much snow, so it's like I guess we rode it last time in a decent weather, but it just feels great today. The trail's great. It's not too dusty. It's not wet. We just stopped for a little break there, did a little hill climb. That Husky 300 made it up pretty far. This guy's been riding his whole life. He's doing good on that bike. I'm only at 9 kilowatts, and I got a new phone, so my app wasn't set up and couldn't change it. So I'm running 9 kilowatts with maximum regen, which is fine, I guess. You know, we got a lot of hills, so at 9 kilowatts still enough for me to get around. Riding with the gas bikes, man, I can just smell the fumes. Not that I don't like it, because I do love the smell of a two-stroke. But this one, he hasn't rode it in a year, over a year. Its gas is a little smoking, but that's all right. Because if you watched one of my last videos, he has the Nikon E-Beast, and we broke the shit out of that bike. Busted a clutch lever, gear shifter, derailed the chain, snapped it again, and then we had to tow it out. Then he blew out the fork seals on the way back down because he had to keep momentum up to oh. Well, he didn't die, so that's good. He landed like right on that boulder. I'll show an instant replay, like right here. And I just missed another section that was gnarly. Oh, that almost clotheslined me. We are going somewhere. I am under 50% battery at this point, and we're not turned back yet. So we are getting a little bit of range anxiety right now. Well, apparently I was recording when I didn't want to be. Gotta love those GoPro moments. I was saying, I'm hoping that the fact that I have 30% and only downhill and flat will get me back. The range anxiety is real. Chris just dumped it again. Yeah, going swimmingly, so could run out of battery. People are following. Tyler and Drew are way back there, so we're living the dream here. So yeah, we're just on our way back down to the roads. I'm gonna just wrap up the trail right here and then give you an update when I get back to the truck, if I made it or not. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching if you got this far. Don't forget to leave some comments if you have any questions or ideas, but catch you next time. This time I'm on the other end of the tow strap. So yeah, we got close, 4 miles away on a dirt road is all we are at. And here we are, getting towed.